Hey everyone, and welcome back. Do you ever feel like there just aren't enough hours in the day? Like you're constantly busy but not actually moving forward on your most important goals? Well, you're not alone. Productivity isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. In this video, we're going to dive into 30 practical, everyday productivity tricks that anyone can use to transform their day, achieve more, and feel less stressed. We'll break down each tip with clear examples and simple steps you can implement right away. Let's get started on unlocking your full potential. Before we jump into the tricks, let's quickly define what we mean by productivity. It's not just about being busy all the time. Productivity is about effectively using your time, energy, and resources to achieve meaningful results. It's about focusing on what truly matters and making consistent progress towards your goals. Think of it as steering your ship towards its destination, rather than just endlessly rowing in circles. Understanding this core concept is the first step to truly transforming your approach. Our first trick is simple yet incredibly powerful: the daily top 3. At the start of each day, identify the 3 most important tasks you need to accomplish. These aren't just to-dos, these are the tasks that will have the biggest impact on your goals or current projects. Write them down and focus on completing them first. This gives you clear direction and ensures you always tackle high-priority items, even if other things get in the way. It's like setting your compass for the day. Next up is time blocking. This technique involves scheduling specific blocks of time for specific tasks in your calendar. Instead of a general to-do list, you literally block out 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. for deep work, Project X, and 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. for emails and admin. This proactive approach helps you allocate your time intentionally and protects it from distractions. It's like having appointments with yourself for your most important work, making it harder to procrastinate or get sidetracked. The Pomodoro technique is a fantastic way to improve focus and prevent burnout. Here's how it works: you set a timer for 25 minutes and dedicate that entire time to a single task, without any distractions. Once the timer goes off, you take a short 5-minute break. After 4 Pomodoros, you take a longer 15 to 30-minute break. This structured approach helps maintain intense focus for short bursts, making daunting tasks feel manageable and ensuring you get regular, refreshing breaks. Distractions are productivity killers. Trick number 4 is to actively eliminate them. Start by turning off notifications on your phone and computer, or put your phone in another room. Close unnecessary browser tabs and mute noisy channels. If your environment is distracting, consider noise-canceling headphones or finding a quieter spot. Every time you get interrupted, it takes significant mental energy to get back on track. Minimizing these interruptions creates space for deep, focused work. Multitasking might feel efficient, but it often leads to less effective work and more errors. Trick number 5 is to embrace single tasking. Instead of juggling multiple projects simultaneously, commit to working on one task at a time until it's complete, or until your dedicated time block ends. This allows you to fully immerse yourself in the work, leading to higher quality output and a deeper understanding of the task. Your brain performs best when it's focused on one thing, not constantly switching gears. Our next trick is batching. Group similar tasks together and complete them all at once. For example, instead of checking emails every 10 minutes, schedule 3 specific times a day to process them. Similarly, make all your phone calls back-to-back, or tackle all your administrative paperwork in one go. This minimizes context switching, which is the mental effort required to shift from one type of task to another. By batching, you leverage your brain's efficiency, staying in a similar mental zone for longer. How do you decide what to work on? Use the Eisenhower matrix. This trick helps you prioritize tasks based on 2 criteria: urgency and importance. Tasks are categorized into 4 quadrants: urgent and important, do first, important but not urgent, schedule, urgent but not important, delegate, and neither urgent nor important, eliminate. By classifying your tasks, you ensure that you're always working on what truly moves the needle, rather than just reacting to immediate demands. For those small, nagging tasks, we have the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately. Don't put it off, don't add it to a list, just get it done. This could be replying to a quick email, putting away dishes, tidying your desk, or clarifying a small detail. These tiny actions prevent clutter, reduce mental overhead, and build momentum. Over time, these small completed tasks add up significantly, freeing your mind for bigger challenges. Technology is your friend for trick number 9, automate repetitive tasks. Look for areas in your work or personal life where you're doing the same thing over and over again. Can you set up email rules to sort messages? Use templates for common responses? Schedule bill payments automatically? Tools like Zapier, IFT, or even simple macros can handle these routine actions, freeing up your valuable time and mental energy for more complex, creative work. Automate the mundane, amplify the meaningful. Breaks aren't a luxury, they're essential for sustained productivity. Trick number 10 is to take strategic breaks. Step away from your screen, walk around, stretch, or grab a glass of water. A short break every hour or so can refresh your mind, prevent eye strain, and even spark new ideas. It's not about being lazy, it's about optimizing your mental and physical energy. Think of it like recharging a battery, you can't run indefinitely at full power without a pit stop. Your environment significantly impacts your focus. Trick 11, optimize your workspace. A clean, organized, and inspiring space can reduce mental clutter and enhance your ability to concentrate. Ensure you have good lighting, a comfortable chair, and all your essential tools within reach. Declutter regularly. A calm visual environment helps create a calm mental environment. Your workspace should be a place that enables productivity, not hinders it. Productivity isn't just mental, it's physical too. Trick 12 combines hydration and nutrition. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Dehydration can lead to fatigue and reduced cognitive function. Opt for balanced meals and healthy snacks that provide sustained energy, rather than sugar crashes. Think whole grains, lean proteins, fruits, and vegetables. Your brain and body are interconnected, and fueling them properly is foundational to consistent high performance. You simply cannot be optimally productive without adequate sleep. Trick 13 is to prioritize quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. A well-rested mind has better focus, problem-solving abilities, and emotional regulation. Establish a consistent sleep schedule, create a relaxing bedtime routine, and make your bedroom dark and cool. Skipping sleep to get more done is a false economy. You'll likely be less efficient and make more mistakes the next day. To continuously improve, you need to reflect. Trick 14 is to conduct regular reviews. At the end of each day or week, take 10 to 15 minutes to review what went well, what didn't, and what you learned. This isn't about self-criticism, but about identifying patterns and making adjustments. Did you hit your top 3 tasks? Where did distractions creep in? What can you do differently next week? This feedback loop is crucial for refining your productivity system and making sustainable progress. Your time and energy are finite resources. Trick 15 is to learn to say no effectively. Whether it's to extra commitments, unnecessary meetings, or social invitations that don't align with your priorities, saying no protects your focus. You don't have to be rude. A polite "I'm unable to take that on right now" or "my current priorities don't allow it" is perfectly acceptable. Saying no to one thing means saying yes to what truly matters to you. Often, we focus only on what's left to do. Trick 16 is to create a done list at the end of your day. Instead of just looking at your remaining tasks, write down everything you did accomplish. Even small wins count. This practice boosts morale, provides a tangible record of your progress, and combats the feeling of not getting enough done. It's a powerful way to acknowledge your efforts and stay motivated for the next day's challenges. Celebrate your progress. You don't have to do everything yourself. Trick 17 is to learn to delegate effectively. Identify tasks that can be done by others, team members, assistants, or even automated tools. Clearly communicate expectations, provide necessary resources, and trust the person or system you're delegating to. Delegating frees up your time to focus on high-level, strategic work that only you can do. It's not about offloading, it's about optimizing collective effort. Now for some rapid-fire tips to boost your day. Trick 18, Mindful Minutes. Take a few minutes for deep breathing. Trick 19, Dress for Success. Even working from home, dressing well can boost your mindset. Trick 20, Clear your inbox. Aim for inbox 0 daily or weekly. Trick 21, Use templates for emails, documents, or presentations. Trick 22, Reward yourself. Small treats after big tasks. Trick 23, Learn a shortcut. Keyboard shortcuts save tons of time. Trick 24, Practice gratitude. A positive mindset enhances motivation. These small actions collectively make a big difference. Ready for a more advanced trick? Number 25 is habit stacking. This is about adding a new habit onto an existing one. Instead of trying to force a new behavior from scratch, identify a habit you already do consistently, and then tack your new desired habit immediately before or after it. For example, after I brew my morning coffee, I will review my daily top 3. Or, after I finish my lunch, I will take a 10-minute walk. This leverages existing neurological pathways, making new habits much easier to adopt. Trick 26 is to conduct an energy audit. Pay attention to when you feel most energized and focused throughout the day, and when your energy dips. Are you a morning person for deep work, or do you hit your stride in the afternoon? Schedule your most demanding tasks during your peak energy times, and save lighter, less cognitively intensive work for your low-energy periods. Understanding your unique energy rhythms allows you to align your tasks with your natural capabilities, maximizing efficiency without burning out. Our digital lives can be just as cluttered as our physical ones. Trick 27, Perform a regular digital declutter. This means organizing your computer files, unsubscribing from unnecessary emails, deleting old documents, and reviewing your apps. A streamlined digital environment reduces cognitive load and helps you find what you need faster. Just like a clean desk, a clean digital space promotes clarity and efficiency, making it easier to focus on your tasks without digital distractions. We've covered so many powerful productivity tricks today. Let's wrap up with a few more to complete our 30. Trick 28, Find your peak time. Explicitly identify when you're most productive for different task types. Trick 29, Embrace imperfection. Don't let the pursuit of perfection stop you from getting things done. Done is better than perfect. And finally, Trick 30, Start small. Pick just 1 or 2 tricks from this video to implement this week. Don't try to change everything at once. Consistent, small improvements lead to massive results over time. You've got this.